Welcome back, my dear students of class 6. Dear students, in the previous video you have already learned about the question answer exercises from chapter 2, and now let us start about the chapter 3, that is the fabric to fiber to fabric. Chapter 3 of your science of class 6 is fiber to fabric. Chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric. So dear students, just this is a sanitization practice that I am doing here, and while teaching, making this digital video, so many precautions we are taking here. And chapter 3, that is the fiber to fabric. Chapter 3, fiber to fabric. So my dear students, in this chapter there are in the basic need, if the basic need of our life is food, clothing and shelter, etc., then we have to know that the several types of the fibers are available in the nature, that is natural, that may be synthetic, or that may be plant fiber, that may be animal fiber, or that may be synthetic fiber. And these fibers are having the very important role in making us a civilized society because of the wearing the cloths. And my dear students, the cloths are made up of different types of the fibers, and these fibers are either cotton, silk, woolen, synthetic, etc. So there are variety of the fabrics. There are variety of the fabrics that is made from the different types of the fibers, whether they are natural or they are synthetic. And these fibers are these fabrics are cotton, woolen, silk and synthetic. Cotton, woolen, silk and synthetic. Silk and synthetic fabric. So cotton fabric, woolen fabric, silk fabric, synthetic fabric. So these are the variety of the fabrics that we use in our day-to-day life. So the cotton fiber that provided by cotton fiber, the woolen fabric, that is by the wool fiber, silk by the silk fiber, and synthetic fibers. So these fabrics are made from their different types of the fibers. And what are the source of these fibers? My dear student, the sources of the fibers are, number one, the types and sources are that this is the one type, that is the natural fiber. These all comes under the natural fibers. These are from the natural fibers. Wool that we can obtain from the sheep, silk that we can obtain from the silkworm, cotton that we can obtain from the cotton, and synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon, etc. Polyester and nylon, etc. Polyester, nylon, rayon, etc. These are the synthetic fiber to make the different types of the fabric. Fabric means the wearing cloths. So students, there are several uses of these. There are several uses of these different varieties of the fibers, and the uses and advantages of the advantages and disadvantages of the both natural and silk fibers are there. The natural fibers that shrink, but polyester cannot be shrink, and the synthetic fibers are strong and durable. They does not wrinkle. They dry quickly. It need no ironing. It is easy to clean. While the disadvantages of the synthetic fibers are they catches fire easily. On burning, synthetic fibers gives out toxic gases. It is not biodegradable, and it is very uncomfortable to wear because of the absorbency is very poor due to the tiny pores. So dear students, several activities are there. That activity is to be done in the class, and that activity is still pending. When the class will be open, that activity will be done, or when it is required, it will be done. Some plant fibers are there, dear students, and cotton. This cotton is the plant fiber, and apart from cotton, that is jute. Jute is also the plant fiber. Jute, cotton, and jute. These two are the plant fiber. These cotton and jutes are the plant fiber, while wool, this wool and silk, wool and silk are the animal fiber. Jute and cotton are the plant fibers, and so on. And these are the synthetic fibers. How they get grown? The cotton grown in the western part of our country, that is Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra, etc. While the jute that get cultivated, this is called golden fiber, and it cultivated into the northern part of India, and the processing of these fibers are called ratting, spinning, yarning, and so on. And there are environmental benefits of the different types of these plant fibers. So my dear students, the plant fibers are these. You have to study it as per your convenience from the book also, and try to learn it. My dear student, in the next video, I will be able to explain you about the animal fiber and the making of the different fabrics by the fibers. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.